Hi, today's recipe is a potato omelette, a tandoori potato omelette. You can have it as a side dish for lunch or dinner. I have two medium-sized potatoes here that I am cutting into chip shapes. One medium onion sliced into crescent shapes. It's starting to rain here now. Two red bird's eye chillies chopped. Oh wow! A heaped tablespoon of coriander leaves, also known as cilantro. I've placed the potato chips in a dish. Now adding the sliced onions to the potatoes. Let's now mix the onions and potatoes together. Next, adding 1.5 tablespoons of tandoori mix. This tandoori mix is store-bought. I'm giving both the onions and the potatoes a good rub down so that they will be well incorporated with the tandoori mixture. Next, adding the coriander leaves. Doesn't that little bit of green do a lot to enhance the beauty of these potato chips? A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder goes in next. Let's rub the garlic powder in. Off to the stove now. I have a frying pan on medium flame with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil heating in it. I'm now adding the potatoes into the oil and stir frying them. The potatoes are being fried on a medium flame. Let's now cover and cook this until the potatoes are done. Let's check to see if the potatoes are done. Adding salt to taste now. The potatoes are cooked through, so I'm turning off the flame. Let's cool the potatoes down before we proceed to the next step. This is the potato that has been cooled. I will now prepare the egg. Let's do the eggs now. This is a 2-egg omelette. I'm adding just a little bit of water to the eggs. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of Greek yogurt. Adding Greek yogurt or any kind of yogurt to your egg makes it super fluffy. Next to go in is less than a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's beat up these eggs. I'm having a bit of an arm exercise here. Okay, that's enough arm exercise. And the egg mixture looks nice and frothy. Let's now add the cooked potatoes into the egg mixture. Give the mixture a good mix so that both the potatoes and the egg mixture are well combined. That's it, and now to the stove. I'm adding 2 knobs of butter into a pan that is on medium heat. Now adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Let's spread the fat around the pan. Now adding the potato omelette mixture into the frying fat. Use a spatula to even out the potato. The 2 bird's eye chilies are going on top of the omelette now. Let's cover and cook the omelette. The underneath is done. Let's switch the gas off and turn this omelette onto its flip side. Return the omelette to the pan to cook the other side. Let's now cover and cook the flip side. Let's now turn the omelette over and switch off the gas. Here it is, the Tandoori Potato Omelette. Enjoy. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye.